Are you tired of hearing this at the dentist? Looks like you missed a couple spots in there. Your tongue is green. Did you brush your teeth before you came in today? You should really brush better. Did you eat something blue today? Did you actually brush today? Susie, give me the mirror. I need to show this guy how to brush properly. Then these two completely underrated tools are gonna be a total game changer for you. And most people don't even know they exist. Hey, I'm Alex and I'm not a dentist. As a registered dental hygienist with over a decade of experience, I know what the trouble spots are and what people frequently miss. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the two best tools to clean these hard to reach areas perfectly. First off, we got this little guy here. This is an end tuft brush. As small as it looks, trust me, it's got surgical precision. If you got wisdom teeth you can't get to, brackets, implants, gum margins, any areas that are hard to reach that accumulate plaque, this will do the job. So you may be wondering, Alex, what is an end tuft brush? Well, an end tuft brush is a miniature toothbrush that comes to a tapered end like this. The way our teeth are made, they have what we call embrasure spaces. So an embrasure space is literally any space around the teeth. It can be between two teeth, it can be the top surface of the teeth, it could be the tooth and gum. The way an end tuft brush is made, the taper, it actually helps you get into that embrasure space perfectly. It's also really nice for hard to reach areas like the back molars. Imagine you have a wisdom tooth, this is a second molar, you can have a wisdom tooth back here. Those are notorious for getting periodontal disease and decay and needing to be extracted. So you can actually reach around that space and actually clean the wisdom tooth with a toothbrush like this. Next up, we got the tongue cleaner from Gum. This is not your regular tongue cleaner. Short little bristles to reduce gag reflex, double serrated plastic edge to make sure you get the ultimate clean. This model doesn't have a tongue. I wanted to show you guys a closer up of what the tongue brush looks like. So here is the bristle side. You can see it, they're pretty short. You got 2 rows of them. The first row, whatever the first row doesn't pick up, the second row will pick up. So I agitate my taste buds with this, just clean the tongue really nice, and then flip over to this side and scrape everything else off. That's why I love this tongue cleaner, because it's dual action and the bristles are pretty soft. I like to use toothpaste on my end tuft brush and on my tongue brush, but you don't have to, you can just use water. So if you want to keep your teeth from falling out of your mouth, I suggest using these little brushes to get those hard to reach areas. The hardest places that most people leave plaque behind are those embrasure spaces, so between the teeth and right by the gum line. That's generally where our lips tend to tense up, or maybe your cheek is very strong, lower lip here is very strong as well. Tartar buildup along the bottom front teeth, you can see the end tuft brush can help you there as well. An end tuft brush is not a replacement for your regular toothbrush or your electric toothbrush, but it's a really powerful tool to use in addition. We're back in the base of operations. We got the end tuft brush and the tongue cleaner here. This is how you use them. With the end tuft brush, really great for around the back. Any implants, ortho brackets around the gum margins. If you feel anything fuzzy with your tongue, you can use this to get back in there and get it nice and clean. This one's a little worn, probably you should replace it. This is great to follow up on your brushing and get those hard to reach areas, implants, crowns, bridges, brackets, you name it, this will reach it, the end tuft brush. I want to show you how I use my tongue cleaner. I'll put a before picture of my tongue and then show you the afterwards. Your tongue can look pretty clean on the surface, but use this guy and you'll see what you get out. Here we go. Do a couple swipes like that and then go through with the serrated edge. All right, not too bad. Hopefully you guys don't get grossed out. I would say my tongue looked pretty clean in the before shot, but you saw that is not clean. So make sure you're cleaning your tongue. Tongue brushing is just as important as brushing your teeth. You gotta brush your tongue anytime you're brushing your teeth. Our tongue can harbor a lot of plaque and bacteria. I've even seen hairy biofilm that extends to about, I don't know, a centimeter long. It can get gnarly. Make sure you're cleaning your tongue. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button. Also, consider subscribing and leave a comment, especially if it's something you didn't like about the video. I'm always trying to level up with every upload, so please let me know. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. As a thank you, here's a picture of a baby panda. Don't forget to comment the next video suggestion down below. See you in the next one. Stay blessed and refreshed, defend what matters daily, and let him do the healing.